It is the largest in Europe. The largest one in the world is at London, where they've got a whole warehouse. Here we've got the most amount of members, so we've got the most amount of backing and love for the space. Chris Paton, I'm a freelance design engineer specialising in robotics and animatronics and special effects. I put my hand to anything. As long as I'm building something, I'm happy, and I can pretty much build anything. From metalwork to woodwork to 3D printing and everything. We've got the same amount of tools, but they're easier to use. You can build larger things. We've got more space to build projects that we want to. Tools are easier to get to. We're still unpacking and still sorting everything out at the moment, but it's a fully functioning workshop. We're getting new tools every week. Today we just bought a huge donkey saw that can cut through an I-beam for cutting metal, so we're getting tools all the time, so it's just getting bigger and better every week. We fund ourselves. We're funded by the members, as the members give a donation every month, and to become a member you have to give a donation. We recommend £25 a month, and that gives you 24-hour access, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, and to come in and use all the tools as long as you've been trained on them, which is fine. And from having 670, 700 members, we've got enough from the membership to run the space for the members. I train members in metalwork, vacuum forming, 3D printing, mechanical design and CAD. But we've got, every member has got something to give and something to teach. So from knitting to soldering to code to building a car to electronics to fixing your bicycle. We've got everything and anything anyone could want here.
Hello, sealed.
Thank you, Control.
Yeah.
This ship is sentient. Welcome to the London Hackspace bike shed. Our membership has gotten so big, we've actually bought an asteroid that circles Earth. And somebody stupidly linked us on IRC to a North Korean reactor on Gumtree. So we thought we'd buy it. We bought a nuclear reactor off Gumtree. It'll be alright. And from that, we decided to build a bike shed from a caravan. And so this is the first ever warp-driven caravan in the universe. We've had many flights in this. You'll be flight number 72. And we're going to take you on a training mission. You get to fly around. We'll take you to a shooting range where the tactical officer gets to learn the weapon systems.
Okay.
Engineering, you get to learn how to maintain the ship and make sure we do not suffocate or die or burn up in warp drive, which is the most important thing. The reactor's rubbish. So, I'm going to give a quick rundown of the controls for each of you. Engineering.
Yes.
This is your main power management.
Okay.
Propulsion. If your pilot wants to go faster, punch that boosts power there.